Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create a React.js project. After that, we'll install the Material UI library in our project. So let's get started. Let's navigate to the file manager. Let me open here the CMD. And here I'm going to write the command to create the new React application. So the command that we have npx space create -react -app space name of the app that we have React with Firebase. Let's hit enter. As you can see, we start creating a new React application. So it will take a couple of minutes. As you can see, React.js application created successfully. Let me close the CMD and I'm going to open this folder inside the VS Code. Let me open the terminal and here I'm going to write the command to run the React application. So the command that we have npm space start. Let's hit enter. As you can see, our React application running on this URL. Let me copy this. Let's navigate to the browser. As you can see the output of the newly created React application. Now I'm going to install the Material UI library that we will use in our project. So let me search here Material UI. Let's click on this. Go to the Get Started page. Click on the installation. Let me copy this command. Let's navigate to the VS Code and I'm going to open the new terminal. Let me paste it the command. Let's hit enter. As you can see, Material UI library installed successfully. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.